area we see for ya mama makwaba ansani ebedi Ghana enkomo no yedi meet aduasa aduananum ka sa ensensem we kakra na fe yetimi ato aso akoyanim na Director General Emma SIGA ne State Interest and Governance Authority kanena nka wonum ye DIC Diversity Implementation Committee eniama asesa amasesi ayidie wonu ababeye authority na enura wote se ne ni di nkomo wa homa so no se wo kwa akwatia na ni nyina se kane tete abrofo 1924 akwatia diamond mines a won bi sabre no kra de na chese nyanye Ghana enti ene kitadin foforo ena ye wo mo mine ya bedru best 1980 or 72 to 80 ho eno my Ghana yes moma yenye yade di nkan na I think say 72 ye koje stake woman na say ye share say enso ye benya shares womti ye Ghana be oni be say 51% shares and somewhere 1976-80 hono afedie yese mampeni dada limana breso yenya ni nyina se osisi ai dia baba o my Ghana dia but na ese mu hojo mu asan wie enti dia koba ya ni se bribi yesan yese eni ankranfo ondwetire emra mishim ena be say some 20 years later 89 and so 2011 and Jumako foforo ba ebesomu and ebeye Great Consolidated Diamonds ya ewakwetia na sa Jumako any Just Pond Group contraja wo call ye no na echese enka said ye woto no ana wodane mu ema no be $70 million no o man bre ni said ye ontuatua no emfa be se bi amfie no muntem na nka watuatua wie na afen so wo be fa Ghana fo adwuma wo ho investment a wodi be wram wo ho niam ahodo a obe ho no amasa diamond mines na se agina ne nanso na asom krom hofo na indirect jobs a wodo esi wo creating direct jobs nyina ni nyina nso ngom emfie nwotwe achi entesa $70 million no Just Pond Group entua ni nyina watua bi na akabi ena onu nso awanko kan kire DIC fo ne se contract amene mu ko e bibi nti monhwe mu na yenyen sachae kakra enso na sane ese DIC no sesi ase ni hobi anabra ansa na eba be yesiga no onu ncho krata akoma wo mu se contract ene mu ko e mu ni so enti sade a yetwem enso Just Pond fo so se won so cho krata akwa is o mamu ntwem ansa na ye pese ehia minister minister sa sector no hye na se no lands and natural resource wonum se wo mo anya minister ene na nkasa di what na ntwia ene koba se aban se wa ntimi ani hyehye ne so dia ene sa SIGA ya wo gina mu ma oman no a o hwe so ma agapade ya se keka kire wa owura beho aban fie etimi si aban bi ba won to aso obi tima no wafa aban company na obi timu a obi ewo adwuma ni mu a the aban wo share so private partnership no kra no aban amfa na ni ani akira ankrankra fa ye mu nkonta enye ho hwe ena SIGA fo ise de bi de mu adi woni nko de aka no ye jeje ne kakra na aban ni ma mini wo fa ase enti da bia na japade ye fa ne saa enti saa na montuo yi su bi eno wo nam a wo de akogye saa Great Consolidated ba ye se kwan wo mo fa so no SIGA fo na anya de kra womu ye ne tise de Bruce Lee o se Rambo wo twesenie no hey come on ya chemo ya sesa wo laptops nya de o na so obi kra mu ne no contract ne wani so a sa na ese ye no ana nti quickly we no anye mpunimpo e mini bisa tiensese pole ne ba bebre nti kane Minister for Local Government, Minister for Information and active member we DMP soda ye Honorable Stephen Asamoah Boateng I type ni say asabi say wono ne Director General Emma SIGA no enura wo kwa akwatia ho nti enura hu say yenkomo no yedi bi wa ahoma ne so nti sene no mekofa free say wo kwa akwatia na etesen na watemase Director General akwaba
Major Romunia
ye da se pa say enura wo kwenti enura wo koye na osan ba yi
e ba cho nyam san mechi ndi da nufa
why ade nti de wuye nyina obi bese no krakra ne say wo personal interest bi ana say wo doga na bro so sa
yo ozi kama minchi a na minchi a ho a wo hwe he na wo tie yen so me ye medwuma
okay
emi say nyim kakra is the edwuma hye me sa motuma me ye montuma me nko mutumu so me ye no zimakuma na me bibia na madwen na mahozin nti Ghana adwuma na mre nye personal interest bia bibia nyi bibia la aban ni nyuma na odan ma ankro dem wala ifi asekan emde ye dzagoro kakra mfi a wetwem dem akan aban nyi wofa onyi nana nti obia ntum nka na asem man nti ho a wo fi de wofa ne kwa nana dodan kwa kufado o ma hen nyina atase de aban adwuma ya aban adwuma nti awale ye hwemu na ye ne ye na ma wasen ye momode na ye nye ne ye nti se baka aban ne nyuma te de Ghana Cocoa Marketing Company na Cocoa Board no market on YouTube Cocoa Board GMPC Ghana Gas oye Bost oye Ghana Water ECG Ghana Airport body nyina ya mra fofora na first no your State Enterprise Commission ona makada no first na me executive chairman na DIC nso woni baby a ho na wo hwa ban na nyuma waton na wo boton bi nso na ha na mbra yi be yo 7th of June na mampanyin Akufo-Addo ordinance share law na say parliament will pass we and see DIC na State Enterprise so abaye no abaye State Interest and Governance Authority ona meda no as director general na dem ma kan ye fi ase a nye motwem na ezi adwuma mampanyin order me board ezi o se culture na first na wo na aban nyuma mfa yen ho na me yepe ne yen wetwem mpa man so ma kan bebre me staff am adwuma wetwem ye momozi na ye mbo aban na japaze no ho ba na onsom Ghana fo nyinala teacher ho awo adwuma na bia ho kromafo nananum sasin botero aban sika ye za keshem na nyina do mfa so magana na especially aguzi oye diamond on ko tin ye diamond Ghana na hon pose oye soronko diamond na gold wo na edu baby a gold na diamond itu baby a obom sir benya gold benya diamond the same anwa na itu
mine na ye
kan benya heavy gold no baby tira lo or down side wo na akotian diamond ye heavy kakra na edu baby mu de itu benya bia nyina it's very unique landscape na dem kan brony cast dem tem nka ne fu nim no for the cast no wobosom no waya na ban se de ye benya interest kakra nem de Tani Roland mpo obosom anglo go da chance on kafa anglo Tani Roland bosom kakra o ya na fe le man tam dem kan aban so bu completely na chi do lokufom Ghana fa de edwuma aban edwuma ne yemfa anye edwuma baka do bia obada ode yesesa ode Ghana fo yesesa aban edwuma fanda was that because say to me ya na atwe no obi a obotuma ya aba
anko da yebrinti emra specifically sa great consolidated day edie nti na se obi afom wo contract mu a muni ni panent na senka na motwe ne krata say ko hand over my national security na fe musan koto hye company no offices eso Roman Rage won kran ha esesa wo laptops any ade nti na moye ni sa
Ozi can consider my kind of cry.
Okay.
No one can take a crow.
Okay.
Na say chifu ba mam kon kakra. Ozi can company a contract in the 6th of May 2011. Pacho Asamoah. Eko baby a 17 million wa no was on 1.7 immediately.
Okay.
Na Ozi busume be in 60 days na on send 5 million on wa on your clause 5. Is it could baby above the clause 6 in I say you will execute in our favor, which is DIC favor, and undertaking not to raise any legal contest or objection to the right of government of Ghana to repossess the land in the event that you should fail to effect the payment schedules.
Hey, Mami Shebi.
Mami Sanka 13, I'm finding
okay.
Me was support bra no pay. Clause 13, I say, after failing to do what I say, clause 13, you will undertake as a condition of this offer to you that in the event that the DIC has incontrovertible evidence that you are unable to or that you have defaulted or you are in breach of any of the terms of this offer, including payment terms, adherence to the scheduled work program and to your business plans, such as proposed investments in Ghana Consolidated Diamond, employment targets and environmental plans, the DIC will reserve the right to re-enter, repossess, or abrogate any agreements with you.
Okay.
In a sense of
what's happening? There he now can say aban yes
or your clause 6. Or your clause 6.
Okay, so
clause 6,
you will however execute in our favor. Ne will have a divestiture implementation committee for no. Na be SIGA. Okay. In our favor and undertaking not to raise any legal contest or objection to the right of government of Ghana to repossess the mine in the event that you should fail to effect the payment stipulated in paragraph 5. So what is the payment in paragraph 5? You will effect a second installment payment of $5 million at the end of 60 working days after you have accepted our offer, and we shall grant you a right of entry and possession of the mine and its assets, which will be specifically listed. And ye na son kakra. Yeba paragraph 5 na wotua $5 million na ansan yebema no right of entry na enye yebisa o mine so say adenti na ontua yema no right of entry
ni pa oye debe no menyu areko no ehu aba na adwuma no odi katina mope na oye menyima adekuru nti menyu areko no ho osu tue sika awa aba ni sika na ofa mbe na amane kwa wokodu ha na wakase so oye 3 mining plants plant 11 10 and 12.
Okay.
What do you have plant 11, 9, 10? What to tree? To two, no, or friend scrap. I said, wow, in mining center. And what 20 years, what you feel?
Okay.
Joker 12. 12 knows one on your mother. Now, what Freddy be tailings, and there, a diamond now. In sooner or parley, baby, or con one of Freddy be poison.
Okay.
I want to walk around what you go now. Or shall I bone down also to me a guzinibi?
Okay.
No walk around also what's the sound with you? And I walk around so a construction a boats and nuts. Nina wegu. And see what no one to quinta one more come walk around okay the man. I won't share them say
okay.
Now cross 13 or so.
Afe yemra clause 6 in answer. Say abanye se osia jinasa if he say when you have 5 million yeah. On to many aban kwatwa manso bi a wo court. But yet titia ye say watwo krata akra koma attorney general. Am attorney general so edi echiri.
Mama cheche mu ho. Abra onye ho adwuma a wo twro there was a lawyer in the letter wa ha. A cardinal a group of law group 4th of December 2018 what you letter that we asked for the diversity implementation committee. Our client's instructions are that on or about 6th of May 2011 it offered and you accepted the assets of the the Ghana Consolidated Diamonds Company for an amount of 17 million. Subsequently and to date, you have made only a paltry payments in the sum of $3.8 million US. As you reckon, any application of the exigible payments default attracts interest of 2% plus the prevailing labor rates. I'm going to call the next one. Undoubtedly, you are aware that your conduct in the default of the payment aforementioned is in continuous breach of the agreement between you and our client. Our client has instructed us to demand, which we hereby do, that you settle your debt within 90 days, which was 24th of December 2018. 90 days or 3 months.
Yeah.
We're up to March of 2019.
Okay.
Why? Now, the acceptance letter or the J contract is dated the 20th of May 2011. Acceptance of offer. We acknowledge receipt of your letter dated the 6th of May, which Mama can cross here can offering us the sale and assets of the above stated company. We hereby indicate our acceptance of the offer. Moreover, we have taken note of the total consideration, mode of payment of same, and other conditions stated in your letter. Other conditions, including clauses here,
okay.
We are taking the necessary steps to fulfill these conditions and look forward to executing a sales.
And
now we can't quote us. On the call, yet on a lawyer to turn a mona. I feel lawyer and San Chocolate on you or habit time in unity. Lawyer and San Chocolate on your card number, the bachelor, but to be an instrument can canning. Now, watch your on your second one on what on the 9th of April 2019.
Okay.
no was afraid ya bro o Sunday na wa friend wa the telephone na my na ohwe DIC o friend no Hollister dua yuntumi
okay
won kasa no nti asemi dem time na any SIGA mbe
okay
na State Interest and Governance Authority that be State Enterprise Commission
okay
and you got a personal maintenance menya personal asema about to be 7th of June ya mampanyin all the mrafo free be ya mebeda anon na me say won fan krata nyina mram na mhwe enye ya nko da na ndwuma bebre ne krata nyina abogu ho me fia mo kokor but manka but me kan there on ne za abotodo me sa kan apia papa na American me nyimin me local government onamudo na Boniface Abubakar Sadiq Youth Employment Agency
okay
yeah the sanitation module when you start member from when you adwuma ye zoom line ho no fi ase
yeah
na me ma DC fo wo fa nyipa wo kro bia district bia about 35-40 depend on the largeness
okay
na procurement process yes man mo winning nti within 2 weeks na was she zoom line obi anam kroma zoom line anam here do na obey
nti na no asebi wo hwa na
there be nti na America there onye nyipa amenye no wontokwa onye mefande mu nuampo yin nti edwuma no bia na edwuma na ohudo na baka da we nya adze no fofofo na Ghana fo sie gyan nya na nko bebre wa fa Ghana fofofo na ya menya nko na edwuma aba na yenye na mpeda ye na me ye Ghana edwuma me ye Ghana edwuma ayanko sam ne baka later
okay
but Ghana edwuma na me ye
no eye dia Asamoah because ye tete ayesi asem no wo court na asem wo court asem wo court
nti obedem na dem 9th of April letter krai na otu America court na okrai Attorney General what reply
okay
na court in Nsroma o stand there one serve Attorney General pochiri wo hunde san one serve 128 days notice. In fact, when you take Attorney General to court, there's a stipulated time period.
Okay.
Until the Obiala Anko to me and Tentemiala.
Okay.
Until when do so Asamoah court now with Asamoah. Until you know Osaka prepare no serve proper notice.
Okay.
Until Asamoah no Bibiala. And indeed, in Breya Okitami an agreement Bibi and Cheddar Montreal court. Bibi and Cheddar or breacher Montreal ma court and can't have that na SIGA one there be Cheddar
agreement.
So no of that court Asama. What will restrain me is a court restraint order.
Okay.
And also the injunction.
Okay.
None of them exist.
Na so wo so ni injunction ada na ne mo so man court anko je
injunction
se mema omo enter ho.
Oh, and
also clause 6 and enough.
Oh, clause 6 and 13 is more than enough.
But say one kasa who the national security funds so ne be ko.
Mabo. I'm the honor ho bro worker what is when persuasion fails force is applied.
Okay.
Force no so nya force you biala law enforcement. Na nya mra na ya enforce anamba.
Okay.
Law enforcement agency.
National security.
Well, law enforcement agency.
Okay.
The police is a law enforcement agency.
Okay.
Nti ono na yakwa because in that time na regional minister or isiri wa akwa akotia ho. Mo aka ncho the one sees adwuma ye. O stand there one license simple wa revoke. Line when you money license. When you nti see onye mba twere o ka papa do. Onye me ba onye here ba twere o ka papa do. Only license. And that was given on the in June, my Bisa Minerals Commission for what Abram. Or June 2019. Where revoke the license.
I see.
Now, me want all
investment so why ye wo hon so say 8 years ni nhihye ni mu no obe create direct jobs any indirect jobs ye kaboma anya hwebe 2000 bia de 3000 osi otimi enyama afi wodi sika bi behyem apart from $17 million na otua no wo say wo sign de sika be say 100 million Ghana cedis bin so edi hyem ema adwuma no esan gina ne naso biem o hyase a no ye sa de no ana what becomes of it.
Until I need that many TV3, Joy TV, Adum TV, and I watch me chim. Also, I investment 20 million. I'm saying, be a me school na moko and me 20 million. That's man tasi.
Okay.
It's one be a one what as one me anko. Another one ko 20 million be you one year hospital or wegu. When you another what the one requisition am. A hospital doctor out now 32 years. Only consolidated indebtedness to the hospital. Here. Indebtedness to the hospital. Only from the doctor. Hospital. What is it called? Salary arrears. Almost 1 million. SNIT, 153,000. Second tier, 109,000.
And the
Ghana revenue.
On no new crown, Befaso, Beconica.
And see what now investment being Wegu.
Oh, cry. 8 years.
Oh, Master King.
Mamcas also. Into your mind, and no more yet.
Aha. Why enter in the mechanic will go to two mining sites in oil number 11, number 10.
Okay.
Jordan, the fire, Jordan Wafa. Na tailings or one so wafa. Na Otiando wafani then watch a chair concessions. What you try to plot now uncle I'm there akotiade ngwafu tutu yi ka o se nyima am ganchiro.
Ah sir.
Oh yes. Na also wafani the tributary system. Nti mine na we na main company we fi won na ase no what am obi. Na only why arrangement na says ba now no wa for percentage.
Okay.
Now the percentage ama mine na the coin. When you pay 400 will register no.
Okay.
That Pembiala 1 week be with your equivalent of £10. Now what's the man? Great consolidated. No what you call. Now also our tracks are what the triania. What is Sidan Ukrum? £10
no sika £10
equivalent of £10 not dollars or pounds
okay sika
oh ya Ghana sika pounds are convert into Ghana sika
okay
it is the bar na be way into bia nipa obi share baby no tunezi or my security for check one pay two na ho we are da ba we na etua £10 na onye wa che you know so but they etua $10,000 crowd to start with and say no am abem I what you 10,000 according to Hobush why 400 but in the democrat aka 13 na sisi we active because what's the time people work we hu gold biala we hu nti na wa aboko waka fa machine ti bebre na la wo pa aba but what you $10,000 no
dollars
dollars
na senke no kra betimi aba be offset
exactly why the one for them sika no get $10,000 initially from them coffee one for mucha and na kofu na etua na bebre won gbefu and now you're going to now I bet a party. I just man crofo. Now you want $10,000 as a deposit. Not deposit as an initial fabra. I know the memfamo. I said my kwamakum. Ekomuso am able to be aneba da pembia mam 10 equivalent £10.
Okay.
Times in you padu times 8 years I wait to me. Nti amu charge amazi ya men asema to a. I mean azimo nam na e come one some to them me my boni bi that was a personal. And the ma ban adwuma no dam na Ghana for yatra one kan che mo kada
aban se oboa nkwankra nwuma na ebi se Ghana ni wagye atum se $17 million watumi atua mu 3.8 initially I say 4.8 mo record say 3.8 or 4.8 watumi atua mu $3.8 million a adenti na sese mu kan so say wa me 20 year je efri say wo mo oboase a wo mutu wo mo mutu manganese wo mo ka wo di wo mining ye kawa enti Ghana na ye de ye mpeye die ye abro wo ye timti ene ye ha ye nua
mama I retrieve Minerals Commission for message I was a brem in Pochaman can breach of section 68 clause 1 of Act 703 Minerals and Mining Act 206 minerals right fees of 7.705 million as they call. A mine must operationalize within 2 years of granting of mining lease or show cause why the lease me kasa na ko for from who from pocho wenjai ai onya botel bo radio ehum TV do am from me wi am from ai
uncle
onya botel
onya mreda
me referi ni ba
yanko
Ghana Consolidated Diamond Group Company was written to and to respond within 120 days. The time elapsed. Jospon wrote to seek audience with the minister, which was granted, but he failed to turn up.
Really?
The 20 days has passed, and the license has been revoked by the minister. I went to about that
but minister the so cry say omo minister hosa minister refuse say obeti or minister
I said me minister attenfo me asoma kire me attenfo me from the process football but attenfo me honorable kadapa me abofra the minister teamwork aja me ana aja ye man nya ndem anko na me yo
mo chokrata akoma o mo no mo lawyers ne mo kasa na mo so mo lawyers ne mo kasa no anye bia say informally and formally kra mo pese o mo be share mo just one group pese o mo me entena se na fie ni fie
baby na ka da bia Ghana enterprise na me ka da onam modo me ka ho na zoom line ba na in this they ya peda Ghana yin so yaze
okay
indeed no osiesie krom
okay
sanitation that time no very good.
Okay.
And ejuma na adosu ntem na jama na we free sanitation wakaka.
Okay.
But near pedagan ye. Indeed, mala me fa telephone. World Cup 2010 South Africa, my friend the Minister for Tourism, my friend Martinos Van Swaskix. Or me nyanko pa. My friend dem pocho ye Ghana ni company bi o ya ze pa. Na tourism e ja wo boboli, o de krom ye fe. Nti ma me ko recommend na. Bisan, o anka ye stadium, o anka clean stadium ko wa. Ese me pega na nyasem me pega asem pa na hu da djuma no osono me pega asem na osono aban na djuma na kwa na order for de ye nti abato ade tu aka on say
okay
tu na ye djuma no so yan down ko
ebiem ebre na time no nyanso ye no 8 years ni mu no anye bia just for no cho krata by oh ye nim say ye nim wo contractual agreement and arrangement within 5 years as I see a 2 years we say but e bia ye wo challenges kakra aban de enka enti muma ye break kakra munye ese
na that me say ni lawyer or radio dom the Joy FM radio do na now can there aban de won ko be brain was aban fan so na wonye na me say na bre hihye na onye aban ye there on talk here me onye obi an telefon na me kan ya hwe na san kan enti on ka ya nyi ne telefon me hihye bia na say be ze kawa won ka de ko na ko ibusi aka na se kafu didi kafu ndidi abeda chwo. Okay. It is either now or that you had this corner.
Yeah.
They turn on telephone calls, letters. There's not a single letter but there. Oh, me the call Namunya Batamam. Na Yanson phone. Nothing. Oh, I didn't find there Bianca Sawon. The man Ghana fire and Jobia Fida Bianca Sawon.
Yeah.
And you know what no you do not know what is he, no what China, no what is so good, or so diamond, now what you a friend is on Casson. In the moment, and I feel, I mean, hey, oh, now some menu are bringing a friend walk on one. Me kan mala me buy me for telephone for friend na maybe na to me ka ba me hwe obaji na me get ano na me se ka che ehun edidi ade ho agura am aboto na e kaw is the kaw atua ntua so a enyi adwumaku na ansa na me mpom reban enyi won tell form da o bia de me nti wo ma me bre kakra ana mo twen kakra de me you sure that what I got the initial letter me kan show on the December 4th was to ask him to pay wan ka de wakajo December 4th, 2018.
Irrespective of clause 6.
Irrespective of what for Scanner Wakanabra. A member of parliament of the area, Amma say, the Regency, in 2017, raised the matter on the floor of the house. My parliament in Akade, I didn't want to say, I want to say, a bank at Wadi. One body Pusampo.
Parliament, say, a bank.
One bonu pumpo. Emi ancha me twemika. I didn't know about home among her and Tento. Oh, Chaba ya me work at Chamam Skachi. Emi Ezikan, no say, not some in the mind there. Also abandon the call. Into Yentain. Oh, Macalim. I'm saying, Teddy, Emi Mete, me, Eba Yana Mamma, Kwama, Macalimia. Into your bedroom, come on. But now, abandon you must not me.
Now, agreement, you know. And no woman say a banker, and I said, me, you mamma, buying them the bear of sets a great consolidated, no. And I said, I buy the make a buying fancy.
Oh, baby, I'm the lawyer. Also, abandon the corner. It's an ongoing process. We are discussing with who? Discussing with who? DIC4. And SIGA. Nothing. I want to work on Brofon. I say, what studio? If you're 9, best not go up with you. I won't say, I don't know for
now. For the finish now, what Chiano $3.8 million now. Says it can't away.
Also, you are some for impediment because the bomb could appear now. News there was his Ghana miss. And to me, because almost was Ghana. And he send you more generous when I'm headline news. Mamma Pen, I'm trying to hold. I said, my make here buying there. Emi me receipts or share there 3.8 million abba.
Okay.
I'm the on a master put no hey. But receipts be brace she ma di echi ha. Bin I'm for who receipts ni bin. 1.7 wo ho, 5 million wo ho.
Okay.
320 Ghana cedi are not equivalent of 100,000 wo ha.
Okay.
Now, them American receipts are where you should amen. But man, I'm going to check back. There, receipts now the man, the can or do consolidated funding man.
Okay.
That is why I said to the media there, men will receipt it now. Men will be that. I mean, my chair will agree. Okay. My minister should have. The Boko baby now, I'm on the receipts in the Sikano one.
Okay.
Men will be that.
Ntenye se sika na yira.
Men kada wayo. Mese sika minyan chaki sika down. Nti what's on na
unyan track here no na wani kodi foforo achi.
Mana
3.8 un tracking hu ba bia dru na ukwa akọwe 14 point ayan.
Na say fabra kana me go here. Is it about the man on message? Na wa kan mama obi eze chiri ahwe mama staff wa obo hwe amam.
Okay.
Anti mama kan there 17 million for 3.8 million. On half mpo. Na infi awotwe. Ebe na me kan achieve for waje 10,000 immediately. Our na what the banage on 10 pounds equivalent a week in so. Na me kura was yan chodo ma ho 5 pounds equivalent. Na me so wonya betem na bana ba me the IMC for aba. Onye won so say because
the constitutes IMC ne fise no so cry say nkofo raising ho doubt say na dentin na muti IMC.
Oh, didn't I'm to make a na me yedem adwuma. No so me adwuma. Nti oda me adwumaku na wo hwe hobam.
Sa na SIGA act ne kan na.
SIGA na the act no so po a me no besia.
O ka se
me ntumi ye di nyina motu mama obi aso ma aboam.
Okay.
Act no
me de ba.
E wo de ba ha ma me kan ho kyerɛw.
Eje.
Efum. Ayade yakura ma ayade dodo. Hold on. Oh, other stuff. Okay. Clause 22 1. The president may, in accordance with Article 195 of the Constitution, appoint for the authority other employees that are necessary for the proper and efficient performance of the functions of the authority. Clause 2 under 22. The president may, in accordance with Clause 2 above of the Article 19 of the Constitution, delegate the power of appointment in Clause 1 above. Then 3, he said the authority may, for the efficient discharge of the functions of the authority, engage the services of experts and consultants on the recommendation of the board. Other public officers may be transferred or seconded to the authority or may otherwise give assistance to the authority. So the law
make it up this IMC.
Mafa nipa or medical officer. The hospital is a major hospital.
Okay.
Obwa amanfo. Yakro ina madene ka ona yinchen. Chono no head. Na mafa 2 mining experts. What's the mining as a geology? I mean na ohienyu bia ohun gold ohun ye. Na mafa 2 financial experts. Obati nkata same ye. Okay. And na mafa 2 lawyers.
Okay.
One of them is chief state attorney.
Okay.
Na ejune minyimra me so amentase Marco Attorney General was the letter about our nominate to be on my camera IMC ho. Na ho so wenimra ehu.
Okay.
Nti menyima me ye.
Enti sa nya wo ye wo kan so say president say o wa kwantum anade all share vice all share say acting president. Omo ya aware wo nya wo ye because acting no kan president na che say untumi nya de a o ma president no onnim ho nim de.
Oh, onya no kwada untumi ya za president onyim ho no de onya no kwada oye mra na amezi yedwuma no. Bebre na authority has been given the responsibility. But the baby American show no appointment of staff.
Okay.
President Bemin. But of course, my chair will agree. Ito na mo na oti dem na menyim just one group of companies papa double catch on.
Okay.
When you mo from dem asemi kura be me catch na oba na mo sinya botal ya nyu bezi nkobo wo san there oti dem akwa yi ofanyin fi na mo sinya ma akọ asase no hoda nto dem catch on there aba na ahwadi ma wa kesi nti ahwa ya baba ho na nanom unanimous was as abi I didn't call much dodo much enti oti no na oba ho a me tan car mi na me ka dem me nyu bakasa na ni request in there abands in the call na so me tase me nyim there abands to but kona ko pesi wo ko man fa mbaba tayi no ho na se pedezi batayi no ho a nhihye bia nda ho I know you get the point. It never happened.
Now, investments I can't say obey no na ye DN. Apart from $17 million, no, war contractual agreement, DN and anka just pon for be.
Now it be employment. My papers now on the 2,500 employment.
Okay.
Direct. And 100 million on your cedis or your dollars.
Oh, 100 million dollars
of investment.
Okay.
Now rehabilitation of the mind.
Okay.
The hospital.
Okay.
Basically everything that they found in, they must do rehabilitation.
Okay.
Now
what did you find? 2,500 direct. Indirect in the crowd. And now our firm was saying 500 and 1,000.
Well, so no you power hospital for no 103. Now other staff are mining and security for no 50.
Okay.
Assassination about 347 square kilometers.
Oh,
also so you need to be there will be unauthorized routes now. Gate 20 one pro. Now staff are work or what I'm on when you bear 20. Nti nipa ho no wondo so
and na wan hu se omo de equipment fufuro bia so anase cars anase eniama hudo bi so aba ho a be kire se 100 million no ebia na wo mugu so omo yi
me pocho wa mfa bibia ni ho a o kire dem na se bi
bibia ni ho a abeka ho
bi fufuro bia maka em de conveyor belt bi na owo number 12 ono wa bogu ho but won use that maybe say was oba ho be 2015 or 2016. But no one fine ship.
Okay.
And that basically na mo kwatu broni fita ate
okay.
English broni.
Okay.
Mudu on also free London. Na so biale in free London. If free London here, also me free South London. Me say South London here. Obo Bemonzi, na me say Bemonzi abe road. Obo road me say be bus o ko fie na nyim. No hwe nyim. Oh hwe. Na me say that London e jura nyim o say mi. Wo
na no why o den na one ne kokko.
So atore ba do broni fita do. So me say that.
Na your staff.
There be no wabaje lease ehu ye de djuma sha so ntu aka na da we lease amobi na broni tim na broni edwuna broni fita onyi hwe ho anja wa fi abrochi
abetina ho
aho na me hu dem Mbappe wonye he enzini ye na enyi enzini ye a ya mo chance nso bochia amochia nhihye wo ha amaka is ongoing the lawyers ongoing we do.
I see.
And in court, I said, "Billy, you and I can say what Jichima court is this I can't what say court I injunction. What is saying here? Now, I mean, my man, you're contemptor.
No, what can say be or don't for be frame me. We are no catch me say, ya, open your Asamoah what and some no kind names. So say, what can say, or mood a Japadian and answer, ye contract no quite cassie diamond site nebe ma omo ene ne Japadie no na sabrino diamond site consolidated diamond na wo Japadie bi efie bi wo Roman Ridge right
anyo
o se enu no mo de ye omo address enye enu no mo de ye omo address no omo address na ye tashi
ono so ya asem kura me pocho ya ba me propose nsem de bre nsem bi won so odem tombo na me dem 70 so what modern say I comment workers so say benyi wo ma fa kokot
and because we crowd obi dum for no offense so na metie wo ni opanyin no komo no but opanyin ni kan say na akwati diamonds no omo Japade bi Roman Regina just one for no munya nto Japade no kra na yemfa ma omo no kra no e no omo de sa property no ye omo address which was so wrong and no see there be antisa address I just one for you see at the time no e tashi into tram for you
na but am tashi no do ho one look at a company profile registration of the company.
Okay.
It was registered original incorporation date 27th of October 2009.
Okay.
Commencement date is 8th of October 2009.
Okay.
I don't put mention here because original incorporated date no incorporate company the 27th of October. Now what commence Juma? Earlier 8. How?
Yeah. Say unya yenya incorporate wa won to me commence.
Into what incorporating on the 27th of October 2009. But we were starting with Juma on the 8th of October 2009. Actually, 3 weeks before we incorporate what you do. I don't know. These are things. Oh, why am I 7 of him? Now, the more I want, the more 7 or fancy or young. Okay. When you tell, I said me pay ya about Tommy, Mrs. Sabatel. I don't know quite Marco or Chin if you. But be tated, no, maintain, no, I'm Pameteo. Meteo, Tina, but tell me so many years because you one calls in a measure, much abandoned it. Okay. Now, once was a bit again, you want to me and your rough. Okay. So, more friend of Mumison. I'm not, may not be Pepper, you are vindictive. I mean, you're vindictive. Asamba Mrs. Papa, I don't know that Mubufui. Then Mrs. Otonoba, and Chamacada be in the Bacassa. Until them court in Samuel for Bunamsha, Papa on Paracasa. Opera de Facota, I know Cajun Junction, only and Joshua Medjuma. Breaching court or the Biala. Oh, great. So, Rana, maybe my breaching. I'm
clause 6, you know. A buyer repossessed.
Maybe address, young Famudia. Asamoah address I was the is house number 10 JT. Don't call close Roman Ridge. About addressing.
But in
remember, are you 209?
Okay.
Don't call close. That's the property of Adekye Damos.
I see.
209.
I see.
Only your home registered address.
Mate.
But agreement was 2011. 2 years later. So how come 2 years later was the agreement more? But 2 years back, 209. Now, your property.
Address, yeah.
Honestly, I say reach. Testing address in here. Address are the budget agreement. Okay. On you. In fact, agreement in what sign address in the Teshin Estate PO Box TN 170 Teshin Nungwa Estate Sakra. On you. Okay. But only accept offer. This was the 6th of May. Okay. Now what they offer the money Teshin address. What the one offer the Taliban on you. One address in address or the PO Box 14056 Accra. Why didn't the Teshin appear here? Maybe in the agreement in some power, what you know, what the man one sign, say, this is partial handing over of property to Great Consolidated, and this is a handing over from Ghana Consolidated Mining, and then it's with acting by its managing director, them friend Dr. M. Kusi Mensa, both of one part, and then the Great Consolidated Diamonds Company on another part. Acting by its managing director, Mr. Joseph Siawa Japan, hearing called the transferee of the other part. But now address is PO Box SC 514. When you were accepting what they were handing over, what address assistant?
Address keeps changing.
Exactly. And one what the DIC was not into one Papa in address na wala address.
And then you wouldn't be able to outside and it's someone more DIC or no more one.
And I'm but tell us some catch them a human so. Yagrama. That's me from my bed saying some Asaba Bakafaba, on you, Makafabi, Mentano Biala Minchu Biala. Say, Mosha Nagana for most major president conference. So, Nasa, Yenja in one says, then I, but I'm on Pena for on them. Indeed, it be some day the mass me on you, men can't which. But men, they went to the man among them catch you. Just for Hiala, your count, I mean, the count, and I feel I say.
And to say, I'm not Jeffing in some
completely. Only she can be. You have to be careful.
Medawase. Be careful. For me, acting the mamma, the Mezeboko. Pacho, Ora Asamoah Boateng, a Director General, SIGA. SIGA near State Interest and Governance Authority, and a Great Consolidated Diamond, and once and seminal, Yenino Adekye. Say, said your work idea, or so matra be careful into Womaji. One contractual agreement in amount on coins. I say, clause 6 and they say, so one to $5 million, and sana, Busumi Sia was a Busumi no more, and son, Unya Quan Crown Raho, and to say, dear Unya Quan Raho, no crown so yasem, no Raho, we no so clause 6 and they say, so one yes, and she say, we are a bribia buying penno, or Begina Japadia, untumini a buying, and coche a manson, legal tassel beer. Memo enu na odi aye ni nyina so no kan close 13 enso kan so Ghana nkomo ne beba enti ma me na anka Asamoah Boateng ase na ye na ye ho enkomra Director General anopei Ye da se pa.
No so me da se na. My mama Minister of Information who I the major na me came my business am one kasa bebre asem ne ba na ma be check but much more. To be out pedal me with the radio from who I wait him poncho. When you Minister of Information
ye frem so ama mo nkasa nche wo de say nwuma date ni wura no na mo num ye nchechem nya sa 15 information na ma fe ye kokan wi ambeka say o ma ye one sided yakọ side with one party
last week
anya hwe mi ya mo fra ka be
duma so gumu do awda me yo
we so ka ho nti ya o mo frɛ wa fa mo frɛ no be fa pa cho ye kwa ba ye beto aso